Are you getting nagged by those low battery warnings on your external tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS? Well, worry not. Today we're rolling out a super helpful tutorial to guide you through a battery swap. This way, you can keep your TPMS in tip-top shape and continue getting accurate tire pressure readings. Ready to dive in? Let's get this show on the road. Let's get started. A TPMS is a device that helps monitor the air pressure in your vehicle's tires. Proper tire pressure is crucial for safety and fuel efficiency. Let's begin by removing the old battery. To remove this, you're going to use the tool that comes with your tire sensor, or a wrench or spanner, which fit the screw size of the cover. Turn it counterclockwise to remove the screws securing the battery cover and set it aside. It should be a CR11632 coin cell. Use screwdriver or your fingers to carefully push out the old battery. Take the new CR11632 battery and ensure it's the correct orientation, positive side facing up. Place the new battery into the battery compartment, making sure it sits securely. Reattach the battery cover and tighten the screws. If everything looks good, it's time to reinstall the TPMS in your vehicle. And there you have it. Remember to regularly check your tire pressure to maintain safe and efficient driving. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more informative videos. Thanks for watching and drive safely.